from an investor mindset, if somebody wants to approach Decacorn, what advice would you give them?
Right. From the investor mindset, what I will talk about is that our main aim is to democratize VC investing or private market tech private investing for accredited investors. Why accredited investors? Because people must know a bit about what they are doing, and they must have that passion to learn more and more and more along the way. It's all about self-teaching today. It's no more that you go to the big universities and that's where you learn. In fact, they are literally far behind than what our actual world is applying knowledge into. Probably that's why Elon Musk says that his children does private homeschooling. I think you learn much more in that way than anywhere else by self-teaching yourself. So you must have that appetite and you must have that inclination to really learn more about what's coming, like Web3. We ourselves do not know how it's going to pan out. So we have to keep a watchful eye on it and learn along the way. People who have this kind of a bend is probably, we provide them the best opportunities to get a ringside view and get into a fireside chat with us, and as they participate with us in our investment journey. So here, therefore, the learning that can disrupt us or make us, dated or obsolete, prevent us from getting obsolete, is what is the most important aspect of one's life. And essentially, that is all around technology. If that is the key draw, then when they invest with us, and that's where we have kept our ticket sizes very small. It's just $250,000 is the minimum ticket size. So they can participate in our journey, participate in the outstanding companies that we are investing in, we are getting exits from, and as a result, we are making distributions. So the return, the reward, they are rather secondary, come second. The first most important thing is that we are not a black box. So while participating with us, you get to see what's happening in this tech world. You get to see what are we investing in. Just like, even the latest investments we are doing in cybersecurity, somebody who is working on preventing fake identity. And that's a huge, huge problem if Web3 has to really take off. We have to solve that. So this is where you get that 20-mile view. You see what is coming. And therefore, not only you just learn, you also put the money where the mouth is. And therefore, obviously, your money does far more better than what it would have done in any other asset classes, like buying a physical house and then renting it out to your tenant. So this is what I will be saying to investors. That's why we need accredited investors, because they must have that pent-up demand. And also regulation requires us only to take money from accredited investors. And so long that kind of a regulation is there, we have to stay with that. But beyond that, this is more about learning and participating in that journey that can make us obsolete, prevent us from becoming obsolete as time passes by. And in the process, we make some outstanding returns.